How does rain affect thermal imaging optics? Imagine trying to see heat through a rainstorm. Sounds tricky, right? Well, understanding how rain impacts thermal imaging tools can make a big difference in tactical situations. Thermal imaging works by detecting infrared radiation, which is heat emitted by objects, not visible light. This means rain doesn't always block what you see like it does with regular night vision devices that depend on reflected light. When it's just a light drizzle, thermal cameras usually perform well because raindrops are small and close in temperature to the air around them. They don't create strong thermal signatures, so the rain itself doesn't block the heat signals from targets like people or animals. But things change when the rain gets heavy. Intense rain forms a thick curtain of water droplets that can absorb and scatter infrared radiation. Water is good at soaking up thermal energy, so a heavy downpour acts like a thermal shield. This reduces the sensor's ability to detect the heat from objects behind the rain. The result is a loss of contrast and detail in the thermal image, making it harder to identify targets or even see them at all if they are behind a dense rain curtain. Heavy rain can also cool surfaces by evaporation, which thermal imagers pick up as temperature drops. You might see streams of water moving across surfaces in the thermal image, but this usually doesn't interfere with detecting warm targets. From a tactical gear point of view, thermal imaging optics are still better than traditional night vision in rainy conditions. Light rain generally doesn't impair their function, so they remain as reliable for spotting warm-blooded targets. However, in heavy rain, the detection range drops and images become less clear. Operators should be aware of these limits and adjust their tactics accordingly. For example, they might need to get closer or wait for the rain to lessen. Overall, thermal imaging offers a significant advantage in wet weather, but heavy rain can still pose challenges. Knowing how rain affects these tools helps you make smarter decisions during operations.